active fashion trend seeker. So one of the biggest hair trends to hit this fall 2022 season is the look of red tones. And with that trend, we are seeing a lot of ginger, burgundy, copper, strawberry blondes, and just overall bright and brilliant red colors. So if you have always wanted to dye your hair red, now would definitely be the time to do it. And red is typically a color that we do see an increase in during the fall season as well as the winter. But I think that this year more than ever, the ginger and just copper tones and red tones are really taking off due to social media. A lot of influencers are dyeing their hair these bright and brilliant hair shades, and the look is absolutely amazing. We're also seeing it being updated in the form of money piece highlights, with the blonde being featured in the front of the hair. We're seeing gorgeous shaggy haircuts with this ginger tone colored hair. So many different ways that you can play up and implement this trend, as well as try out some of the different haircuts that we're seeing being mixed in as well. It's a great way to upgrade a style and just really kind of take your hair to another level. So enjoy the rest of this video. I hope that you find some type of inspiration within the red family. If you are actually thinking of dyeing your hair, be sure to give this video a like, and of course hit that subscribe button if you want to continue to stay up to date on all the latest and hottest hair trends.